Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Brianna. Today we're doing a little something different. My ultimate favorite thing. We are talking about shoes. Now, I shop at this website called Miss Lola Shoutique. It's now Miss Lola. They took Shoutique out, but it's Miss Lola. If you knew them back in the day, it was Lola Shoutique, Miss Lola. And I bought 4 pairs of shoes. I got my heels, mo heels, and mo heels. But if you are a girl that do not wear heels, I also got you some flip-flops, some sandals, honey. We are talking all shoes. I'm gonna show you guys how they look. I'm gonna tell you how they feel, when you should wear them, how you should wear them, who should wear them. I think everybody should wear them, honestly. And yeah, you're gonna see just how cute they are on my feet. I will also leave in the description box where you can find them. I will leave a direct link to each shoe. So I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion and honest review of these shoes. So stay tuned and see what's happening. Thank you. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Leave a thumbs up for this video and hit that notification bell so you can get the notification for all future videos. Peace. Okay, so our first shoe is the Hypnotized in Nude. It is a 4-inch heel, strappy, super cute, really comfortable. The only thing that bothered me was the straps on the toes. If I stand in them too long or walk in them too long, then it becomes uncomfortable on top of my toes. But other than that, they're pretty perfect. I would wear this with a romper or a dress that comes pretty much to my knees. Really cute. The next shoe is the Miami Vibes. This shoe is a thicker heel, pretty much like the previous shoe that we just saw. Same concept. It just has a thicker heel for anyone who cannot wear stiletto heel. It is also a 4-inch heel, and like I stated, it is thicker. And same thing, the straps that's on my toes is the only thing that makes it uncomfortable when I stand in it for too long. But I wore this to a party the other night, and they were pretty comfortable for the first hour, and then I had to change out of them. And I put these with a pair of jeans. They pair really good. I also wore these on my birthday. If you haven't seen the pictures, go check it out. And watch them come across. Yes, honey. The next shoe is the Summer in Canes. This shoe is really popular and it's really trendy right now because it is clear. You know, they have all those clear shoes right now. I'm not a big fan of the clear shoes, but I love the cork wedge. This shoe is perfect for anyone who cannot wear heels, but they can wear a wedge. I paired these with some jeans. They are pretty casual. They are perfect for spring and summer. I would wear these if I'm going like grocery shopping, running errands, something like that. That's when I would wear these. They are really comfortable. The only thing that I don't like is that they flap because I do not have a strap around my ankle. They are strapless. And our last shoe is the Radiant Glow in black. I love these sandals. They have the perfect bling to them. I love the bow. Just super simple. If you are not a heel girl, that is so okay. You can still rock a cute shoe like this one. They are really comfortable, but I would get them a size bigger because on the sides, my foot does hang over. But other than that, it's a perfect shoe. And that really wraps up all our shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning, the links are below.